Hello tech lovers, I welcome you to my channel. This is TechwithBunmi. In today's video, I'm going to be introducing you to a new platform where you can practice or you can make money with affiliate marketing links that you can get like 50% or incurring commission. Okay, let me use that. Incurring commission. You can get 50% incurring commission, meaning if someone clicks on that link and did not purchase any product that time, anytime the person goes back to purchase that link, you get a commission from the particular brand. And some brand there will give you like 50%, 20%. And if you're already doing like Amazon affiliates, that is for the beginner. This is going to give you more visibility and is going to give you more money into your account or into your pocket. Without any further ado, let's get started. Let me brush you through on how to sign up and how to get started with this impact.com. Thank you. So here it says, the platform says partnership management platform. It has for creators. If you're a creator and you want to monetize a channel, then you need impact.com. Okay, this is new. Advocate, engage, manage, reward, and track customers referral. And let's go to brand. These are the different brands they have. They have affiliate marketing, influencer marketing, referral marketing, mobile, partnership, business development, etc. Then if you want to be a publisher, you can be a publisher, influencer and creators, content publisher, etc. Partner with us, agency partner, agency directory, etc. And these are the insights. Okay, so now as if you're a brand, right? If you're a brand, you will have to come through the side. For brand and agency, I want to create sustainable growth through partnership. You request for a demo, okay? So for creators as a YouTuber or if you're an influencer on Instagram, etc., TikTok, you can sign up as a partner here, and I would employ us to sign up using your Google, right? Your Gmail account, or you can sign up with your email and you identify your country here, though you identify your language here, right? English US if you want English UK, English Canada, English Australia. Okay, you identify your language here. And when you sign up, because I already signed up for this impact.com, when you sign up, just follow the procedures. Then it's going to give you an approval. When you get the approval, then you are inside the marketplace. So I'm going to be showing you an example of how the marketplace looks like. Okay, when you follow the procedure of this sign up. I don't want to sign up again with another Gmail account. Okay, so please just sign up. Is a direct instruction to follow. Sign up with your email, or you can use your Google to sign up. Okay, we come to impact.com because when you are signing up, you sign up with this impact.com/get started. Okay, that is the link you will use. So after signing up, you might not get an email that you've been approved to the platform, because I didn't get an email. I applied, I registered for it, I signed up, and when I watched other videos, they were like, okay, it's gonna take like 1 month, or it takes like 4 weeks, 3 weeks for them to approve it. But I kept checking, and I was surprised. I think I was approved maybe under 5 days or thereabout, 5, 7 days thereabout. It wasn't immediately, but I finally got approved in. So when you get approved into impact.com, then get yourself lucky with the person. You are one of the people that will start making millions with brands. Okay, there are different brands in this impact.com. Okay, different brands. If you want to be an influencer, if you want to work with different brands, then this platform is for you. So now we'll come to impact.com, and impact.com says one platform or partnership, brands to brand. Impact.com affiliates, influencers, and referral marketers platform drive billions in transaction for leading brands. So as I said, we can get started here and just follow the procedure. Let me see if I'm not missing anything before I sign in into my account. So business have high growth goal for businesses have high growth goals and few resources right now. Okay, so this is a platform that you should belong. As you can see, it says increase in new partner sign up, sales increase 30%. So now let me just sign in into my account. I'll be right back. After you sign in, after you sign up and get approved, then the verification code, it depends on you. It can be sent to your email or it can be sent to your phone number. So this was sent to my email account, and I'm going to put the verification here, and it's going to say, I will click on remember this on my platform for 30 days, and I will verify. So this is our marketplace. Okay, this is our marketplace. If I come here, this is edit, right? This is my back end. This is how it's going to look like, right? And etc. So yeah, this is find new brands to promote, right? And so these are the new brands that you can promote, and anyone that suits you, you can check the website. Then if you like it, online sales 1%, you can apply for it. Okay, you can apply for it. You check it out, then you introduce yourself. I have like a template that I use for mine. I'll put it in the description so you can use it for yours if you are applying for or sending a proposal for a brand. Okay, so because you have to send a proposal before they can approve you so that you can get your affiliate link. So this is where it's getting interesting. You come to this place, as you can see, if you apply application. So I don't have any application here right now because I didn't apply to any brand. Then find brands. So these are the brands that are here. You'll be lucky to find your favorite brands here that you've been writing and they've not answered you. And you can come to this place and voila, you send them your proposal and you get approved. As you can see, if you see something like this, ITP, you just apply for it. It's automatic access. So you start getting your link. Give us an example, right? Another one is let's see this. It says I'm approved for this AppSumo. So I can apply like product approval $50. Like if I sign up, I think I'm gonna get like $50 in sales. This is it. By applying to this campaign, you would also form a partnership with AppSumo. And on this campaign, earn $50 of product approval, and $100% online sales, and a 0% of product submission. And I'm going to put my write-up here. Okay, I have my write-up. Right, but let me get it. So this is my write-up here, and my name is Bumi Asala. I'm a certified digital marketer. I help businesses to solve their brand successfully through digital marketing. I also give useful content on my YouTube channel, TechwithBunmi, on digital marketing tips. I have a blog where I promote Amazon product review. I believe impact videos will give me more chance in the affiliate marketing system. Okay, this is what I have here. If you're interested, then you can check the description. Then I will apply for it. There are some, as you can see, application is pending, and once it is approved, then you can start creating your content, right? So now let's come back here. If you say pre-qualify, these are what you are pre-qualified. If new, these are new stuff that you can also apply for if you're interested. If you want to check all the brands, these are all the brands you can check. right? Some might deny you, they might not approve you immediately. Do not give up, okay? Do not give up. So another thing you can do with this is that you can create a YouTube video about this. In my next video, I'm going to be touching that how you can make use of this and to get views with your YouTube channel. Okay, and also I'm going to also give you um, lectures on how you can promote this these products, any of these products you choose. You can promote it and you start earning money with Pinterest. These are category. If you want a particular categories of brand, accessories and services, accommodations, apparel, shoes and accessories, art and craft supplies, art and photography, auction, automobile, B2B, baby and home kits. Like if you're into the baby niche, right? These are the stuff you will be promoting, okay? And you can create a blog for it and start promoting it, okay? I hope you gained value in this video. I'm going to continue in my next video to tell you more insight on how to make money using impact.com. I hope you enjoyed this video and you got value. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to like, subscribe and share out this video. Join the tech family. If you watched up to this moment, I want to say thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video. Bye for now.